The deep ocean, a realm of crushing pressure, eternal darkness, and profound silence. Or so we thought.
For decades, Hispanic female scientists have been listening, dropping sensitive microphones into the abyss.
And sometimes, the abyss answers back with sounds that defy all explanation.
These are not whale songs or shifting tectonic plates. These are mysteries from the deep.
Sounds so powerful, they're detected by sensors thousands of miles apart.
Forcing us to ask a terrifying question. What is down there?
Today, we dive into the mystery of the most famous of these sounds. A noise so loud, it challenged our understanding of life on Earth. The year is 1997. The Cold War is over, but its listening posts, a relic of the past, were now tuned to the whispers of the planet.
That's when they heard it. A sound unlike any other.
Originating from a desolate stretch of ocean, thousands of miles from any known landmass. It was an ultra-low frequency, powerful, upsweeping sound. They nicknamed it the Bloop.
The loudest sound ever recorded by a living animal is the blue whale. This was many times louder.
For a sound to be that loud, its source had to be colossal.
The Nils broke, and the world's imagination ran wild.
The sound signature didn't match anything known. Not a submarine, not an earthquake.
Military technology was ruled out. So was geological activity.
The profile of the sound was most similar to one thing: a living creature. But a creature of a size previously confined to myth and legend. Whispers of the Kraken, of colossal squids dragging ships to their doom, resurfaced. Could a creature of such immense size truly exist, hidden in the depths? Others turned to darker myths, to ancient, sleeping gods. Was the Bloop a sign that something was stirring in its long slumber?
For years, the mystery remained. The debate raged on in the scientific community.
But the clue to solving the Bloop wasn't in the water, but on it. The answer, it turned out, was ice.
What if the Bloop was not a geological event, but a biological one?
A sigh of a creature so large, its breath is mistaken for an earthquake. And remember, the Bloop is not alone. The ocean is full of mystery signals.
The scientific explanation is the most likely, but it's not the most exciting.
Perhaps it's human nature to hope for monsters. To believe that our world still holds wonders beyond our comprehension.
Because while the Bloop may be solved, the deep sea is still listening and waiting.
Today, our ability to listen to the deep is more advanced than ever before.
We deploy autonomous drones to map and monitor the most remote corners of the abyss.
And the data they send back continues to reveal a world far stranger than we imagined.
With climate change, ice quakes are becoming more frequent. The planet is growing louder.
And among this noise, new mysteries emerge. Sounds that still have no explanation.
We find phenomena that challenge our basic understanding of physics.
We find life thriving in conditions we once thought impossible.
The monsters of yesterday's myths are the scientific discoveries of today.
Which begs the question, what discoveries await us tomorrow? The greatest discoveries are not behind us, but waiting in the dark below. For millions of years, the oceans were ruled by giants, creatures that dwarf anything alive today. We think they're all gone.
But the ocean has a habit of preserving its secrets.
Perfectly adapted to a world without sun. The line between science and myth is drawn by what we have seen.
But what about the things we haven't seen? The events we can't explain?
Perhaps some mysteries are not meant to be solved with science alone.
They exist in our oldest stories, our deepest fears.
Perhaps the Earth itself has a sleeping giant, and we only hear it when it stirs.
From a single, mysterious sound, two stories emerge. One of natural, geological power, the other of unimaginable, biological life.
The scientific consensus points to ice, and it is almost certainly correct.
But the ocean is vast, and our knowledge is just a single drop. And in the silence of the deep,
The ocean's voice is complex, and we are only just beginning to learn its language.
if you're fascinated by the unknown, join us on our next expedition into mystery. The world is full of strange signals. What should we investigate next?
Let us know in the comments below. And never stop questioning.
Scientists began studying the sounds generated by these colossal ice formations.
They called them ice quakes, and their acoustic signature was a match. The location also lined up. The sound came from the direction of Antarctica.
The sound of a continent of ice groaning, cracking, and breaking apart.
This became the leading scientific explanation, a natural phenomenon of incredible scale.
And in 2012, NOAA officially confirmed it. Case closed. The monster was just ice. The mystery was solved. For many, the explanation felt too simple, too mundane. They pointed to the sound's profile,
It had the characteristics of an organic origin.
Unlike the brute force of cracking ice, it had a voice.
And what of the location? An area so remote, so deep,
that we have no idea what could be living there.
We know more about the surface of Mars than we do about our own ocean floor. Every deep-sea expedition brings back species that defy imagination.